Chinese police wielding machine guns are stationed every 20 feet in this mixed community of Tibetans and Chinese. The police operate around the clock, taking turns sleeping on a bus. Their presence is complemented by Secret Service agents and plainclothes policemen who roam the streets and stores asking questions. Last week, a Chinese man was stabbed on a bus here. The event occurred simultaneously with the riots which started in Lhasa and have spread all over Tibetan populated areas of western China.
Hand in hand together, they tried to put fire on the prison in Papa. Police shoot them. I don't know how many were killed. The soldiers used a machine gun. The Chinese were being killed too by Tibetan hitting using the stones.
Back in the Tibetan community in Chengdu, I interviewed several store clerks.
There are no problems here between Tibetans and Chinese. It's usually very safe. They, the Chinese, are just taking safety precautions for everyone's safety.
They are preparing for the Olympics, keeping watch a few days to make sure there is calm. Over 95% of the stores here are Tibetan. The economy here is doing well.
This community is a snapshot of what China hopes Tibetan communities will become in the future. It has a strong tourism and merchandising industry, and several of the wealthier locals are Tibetan. But this neighborhood is an exception. Chinese hopes that economic development would replace political and religious beliefs have backfired all over Western China, where disenfranchised Tibetans resent the unprecedented influx of Chinese, who occupy more and more positions in all levels of the economy. While Tibetans in Chengdu have made an industry off peddling icons of their religious belief, there is one person they are prohibited to sell or display images of. And this is unlikely to change anytime soon.